What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on GRT or the graph. Wanted to make a quick video on that for, first of all, I think it's a great crypto. I traded quite a lot, so I'm quite updated on the technicals at the very least, and the fundamentals I would say as well. But therefore I have a strong opinion on what's about to happen with GRT. It does depend on some on how we react to certain levels, but we'll talk about all of that in this video to kind of give you an idea of what to expect and what's happening right now. So that's what we'll talk about. If you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find more instructions on how to join, but also trade results. Alright, so now if we actually talk about GRT, what you can see is that we have been fairly bearish for the last 24 hours. Yesterday we got one more spike up to this 236 VIP around 16 cents, and from there we started dropping. Initially found some support at that 100 EMA around 14.6 cents. Strong, I mean, altogether GRT is finding quite a lot of support. Not that strong support right now, but still we are finding some support. Excuse me, my camera was a little bit blurry. But we are finding support. So the big question is right now there's quite a lot of bearish momentum in the entire market, especially with altcoins. Bitcoin itself is still holding on fairly well, but most altcoins are dropping quite a bit. I would say GRT is still bullish. But the big question is can we actually become very bullish again? Because I mean, even though technically we're still bullish, I would say we're still bullish as long as we're above 14 or even 13.7 cents. But if we're dropping down like this on the very short term, you cannot call us bullish. So the big thing right now, I think, is if we zoom in, and that's what I'm going to do, is what we will do at this level around 14.5, 14.6. Because even though we found support right now at that 200 EMA, with the 0.5 VIP. So we have a very strong support level. Yesterday I also sent out a trade signal, a buy signal for this area. I deleted it this morning because of the bearish momentum, and I'm not too sure about the trade, but it is a very strong level. Especially if you look down here around 14 cents, it only gets stronger. So we did find some support here, but at the end we also had a bearish breakout through 14.7, our main support level yesterday. So what's going to happen next all depends on what we're going to do at that level. What we need to do to become bullish again is break above 14.7. If we do that, I think we'll continue back up towards 15.5 and perhaps even 16 cents. But even though that seems a little bit too far on the short term. So this is what we want to do. But I think it's actually more likely that we will not be able to do something like this. It's fully realistic that this happens, all right? This has like a 25-30% chance, so there's quite a big chance that this happens. But I think it's more likely with the bearish momentum that we have seen in the last 24 hours in crypto, but also with GRT, with that bearish confirmation by having that bearish breakout. I think it's more likely that we will react bearishly to 14.7. And that from there, we will actually drop down towards 14 and 13.7 as a support. And I think that support is actually stronger. And I think that support can actually hold us up longer. And what will happen from there does depend a lot on what Bitcoin will do tomorrow after the interest rates. But from there, I think we got a better chance of actually breaking above 14.7 again and rallying up to that 15.5 cents level. So that's what I expect on the short term. I'll obviously keep you updated on that, but for now, that's my take on GRT. So if you have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.